Hello everyone in Hug. Back in July, I put together a handful of things you could try to control your own system, which is wrongly identifying good messages as spam. It's something you have to do on your own system. And one of the things is called a whitelist or a filter. It has different names. And basically, you're telling your computer, if you get an email from this person, don't put it into the spam filter. Let it go, put it straight into my inbox, which is what we need to do. So let me show you how to do it. Now, there are lots of different systems. There's Hotmail, there's Tiscali, there's Virgin, there's BT, Yahoo, and Gmail. The example I'm going to do is on Gmail, because I do have a Gmail account, so I can do this easily. So I've called up my browser, and now I'm going to go into Gmail, gmail.com. By the way, what I'm going to do only works on a desktop computer. You can't configure this on a phone or a tablet, I think. I'm pretty sure. So I'm doing this on my computer. Right, there's Gmail, and there are all my Gmail messages. And what I'm going to do is to click on this, see at the top of the screen in the middle, this thing here. I'm going to click on this, and that will help me create a filter. Now, I have to specify what will identify the incoming email, and I'm going to use Greta as an example, because poor old Greta's, well, she hasn't had the problems. People she's sending emails to have had the problems. So I'm going to put Greta in there. There we are, greta.thornbury@btinternet.com, and I'm going to now click on this bit here, which is create filter, and I'm telling my system what to do when it gets an email from greta.thornbury@btinternet.com. Okay, and we have these various options here. I want to click on this one, never send it to spam. So when I create a filter, which I'm going to do in a sec, whenever my system receives an email from greta.thornbury@btinternet.com, it will never send it to spam. It will go into my inbox. So I will create a filter. That's it done. So now when my system receives an email from Greta using her BT Internet account, then it will go into my inbox and not into my spam box. You should have all done this ages ago when I mentioned it before, but you know, yeah, it's not that obvious. I thought I'd try it out and give you this video to be helpful. Now, there's a way you can check to see what you've done after you've done it. I mean, that's finished, that's complete. You don't have to do this bit. But if you click on the top right of your screen where it says settings, see all settings, you can see all the different settings you've got. Right, now what you do is you go to the top menu, general, labels, inbox, accounts, filters and blocked addresses. Let's have a look at that, and you can see the following filters are applied to all incoming email. All emails from greta.thornbury@btinternet.com. Do this. Never send it to spam. And that's just a way to check that you've done work. So you don't have to do this little bit, just the other bit. Okay, and I hope that's really helpful and it will sort out some problems. There will be other methods on other systems. I can't do them all. I don't use Gmail. I was just doing this to help out a few of you. But Yahoo and Hotmail and what have you, they'll all be slightly different. But it's called a whitelist. Some of them call it a filter, but it's the same thing. It's an instruction to your computer as to let certain emails go unhindered into your inbox. Okie dokie, toodaloo, bye bye, have a nice day, blah blah blah.